Hello. Dad is trying to get a rocket out of a tree with just a baseball bat. Sounds like us. He got it! Yay! And Dad tore it up. There's still parts of it up there. Well, we know we can never play with that ever again.
It's not busted.
Oh, never mind. You're gonna hit yourself in the head, Dad.
I'm trying not to.
He is, I know it. Close. You know, that's my baseball bat. I'm not a softball player, but I want to be. Ooh. Yep, he got it. Dad, it's just a $7.99 rocket. I mean, really, you're gonna get my baseball bat stuck up there too.
Maybe not.
You know, keep on doing it until he gets it. He's going to hurt himself. Again, not happening, Dad.
All right. Last time, right here.
Last time. That's it.
3 times.
Hey.
1.
That's one. He said he was doing it 2 more times. 1. He got it. He broke it, but he got it. Yay for Dad.